The 4-liter TFSI in the new Audi RS6 Avant delivers a greater output combined with an increased level of efficiency. The V8 power unit delivers 441 kilowatts and provides 800 Nm of torque consistently within an incredibly wide engine speed range from 2050 to 4500 RPM. It takes just 3.6 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour. And in a mere 12 seconds, the high-performance Avant reaches 200 km per hour, 124.3 miles per hour. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 km per hour, 155.3 miles per hour. This can be increased to 280 km per hour, 174 miles per hour, with the optional dynamic package, and even to 305 km per hour, 189.5 miles per hour, with the Dynamic Plus package. It features efficiency elements in the form of the mild hybrid system with a 48-volt main electrical system and the cylinder-on-demand system that switches off 4 cylinders in operating situations that demand less output. Power is transmitted to the Quattro permanent all-wheel drive via the standard 8-speed Tiptronic with faster gear changing. The wheel-selective torque control and the optional Quattro Sport differential optimize traction, stability and dynamics. The standard RS adaptive air suspension with controlled damping is tuned specifically for the RS and allows a top speed of 305 km per hour for the first time in conjunction with the Dynamic Package Plus. The RS Sport Suspension Plus with Dynamic Ride Control is an option that provides even greater dynamism. It works with steel springs and 3-way adjustable dampers that counteract the movements of the vehicle body with no delay, without the use of electronics. In the normal position in auto, comfort and efficiency modes, the body of the new RS6 Avant sits 20 mm lower than an Audi A6 Avant with standard suspension. At speeds of 120 km per hour, 74.6 miles per hour, and above, the air suspension lowers the RS6 by another 10 mm in the 3 modes specified above. In dynamic mode, the body remains at this low ride height permanently for both suspension types. On poor road surfaces, the RS adaptive air suspension offers a lift that can raise the RS6 Avant 20 mm above its normal position at low speeds. The new RS6 Avant is fitted as standard with progressive steering with a sporty and direct ratio whose newly developed power assistance reports back a direct connection between the driver and the road. The high-performance Avant can be equipped with dynamic all-wheel steering as an option. It combines the dynamic steering at the front axle with the additional rear axle steering. The combination of dynamic steering and rear axle steering changes the overall steering ratio within a range of 9.5 to 17.0, from very direct at low speeds to extremely stable at high speeds. The new RS6 Avant comes with 21-inch wheels as standard, and Audi can also install 22-inch wheels as an alternative. The newly developed RS ceramic brake system with discs measuring 440 mm at the front and 370 mm at the rear is a further option. The RS ceramic brake system weighs 34 kilograms, 75 pounds, less than its steel counterpart, and thereby reduces the unsprung masses. The character of the RS6 Avant can be modified at any time via the Audi Drive Select dynamic handling system. The new customizable RS-specific RS1 and RS2 modes, which can be enabled directly via the RS mode button on the steering wheel, are available in addition to the familiar profiles Comfort, Auto, Dynamic and Efficiency. Once these have been set to suit the driver's personal preferences and stored, they can be enabled directly via the RS mode button on the steering wheel without having to operate the MMI touch response again. Special RS displays in the Audi Virtual Cockpit provide additional trip and vehicle data. The shift light display prompts the driver to upshift when the rev limit is reached. The optional head-up display also displays some RS-specific information, for example the shift light display. RS Sport seats with the rhombus pattern and RS embossing in Alcantara leather combination are fitted as standard. Alternatively, the seat upholstery is available in perforated Valcona leather with honeycomb pattern and RS embossing. The RS design packages in red and gray adds some color and a greater level of sportiness to the interior. For example, the steering wheel rim, gear lever gaiter and knee pads are designed in Alcantara with contrasting stitching. Belt straps with color edging and RS floor mats round out the package. Inlays in gray-brown wood, natural or matte aluminum add further customization options. An advantage in terms of its great everyday usability is that the new RS6 Avant is even roomier inside. The luggage compartment has a capacity of between 565, 20.0 cubic feet, and 1,680 liters, 59.3 cubic feet. By folding down the split folding rear bench seat in the ratio 40-20-40, the length of the luggage compartment increases to roughly 2 meters, 6.6 feet. The luggage compartment lid and the luggage compartment cover are electrically operated as standard. Sensor control via foot gesture and an electrically unlocked, swiveling trailer towing hitch are available in addition upon request.